Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosy Gold Nouveau wand massager. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold Nouveau wand massager itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive size and has a beautiful rosy gold colour as well. So you can enjoy all intimate moments alone or together with your partner. It's ideal for external stimulation. It comes equipped with 10 settings in which you can, in addition to your clitoris, stimulate other sensitive parts such as the nipples. It's very simple and easy to control with the controls at the top just here. And you can be creative and stimulate all sensitive parts at different speed using different patterns. The head is made of a silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. And it's also flexible. This wand massager is equipped with a powerful motor that also makes the vibrator suitable for body massages. To turn on, press and hold on the bottom button and it's on. To change the settings, you can use the plus button or the minus and experiment and play. To turn off, press and hold down on the same bottom button and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach the two together like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using this wand massager, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the wand massager after every use using toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or you can also use mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Rosy Gold Nouveau wand massager. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.